Top of the morning, family. Top of the morning, man. Hey, hopefully everybody's doing good out there, man. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but the one thing I can tell you to invest in definitely is make sure you're investing in yourself, family. Hey, there's nothing more important than investing in yourself, man. You could have all the money in the world, but if you don't have peace, happiness, and joy, man, that money means nothing. So with that being said, man, I just showed you guys a little crypto, man. Obviously, crypto's booming right now. So when it comes to the stock market, I've been looking at some of these crypto mining companies. A lot of them are down pretty low right now. Besides Riot and Mara, Mara, those ones are, man, they ran up crazy. But I just showed you eBang. They actually make mining chips. So I just posted a little article. The ticker is EBON, EBON. They're actually up 10% this morning already, but they were down, I believe, 30% in the last couple of days. So with some of these Chinese companies, you got to be careful because kind of volatile. Here's another one, Canaan. So I'm sorry, this was the company that makes the mining chips. So it's another company, man. This stock's been pretty volatile. It's down right now. I seen it up I think it dropped like 30% in the last week or so. So it's another one I'm kind of looking into, fam. Just kind of being that Bitcoin is up at 62,000 right now, Litecoin's at 247,000. A lot of these companies may get a boost from that. And again, old faithful SOS, right? So, and this is a pretty long article about actually getting calls or puts on the company. What this article suggested, Aaron, and just so you know, family, I subscribe also to this. It's called Seeking Alpha. So, they basically kind of have a little insight, have a lot of different articles. So I'll kind of try to read through those a lot. But their suggestion on this was they were talking about getting some July calls, which I looked them up. They said a 750 July call, I think July 18th. Right now it's like 58 cents, so that would equate to about $60. Probably not a bad idea. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what they're recommending. But I did buy some shares. I'm buying shares again because this volatile market, man, you got to be careful with your call options because they can expire out of money, and that's all bad money gone. So just be careful when you're getting the calls, and again, grabbing a couple shares, holding on to it for the long haul. I mean, if it turns out that they end up having good earnings report and they actually are mining a decent amount of Bitcoin and Litecoin, I mean, the company has potential. Like I said, Mara is at, I believe, 58. Riot's up there too, $60. So earlier this year, they were both at $7, So again, just be careful, be cautious. But, and also, I mean, invest in crypto itself. I've been telling people for a while, I like Litecoin. I got in Litecoin a couple years back, and Bitcoin as well. I like Litecoin. I've been in Cardano for a while, ADA. Obviously, everybody's seeing Ripple, XRP just kind of blew back up. I guess they got the SEC clearance. So, anyways, family, it's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, as they say. Right now, for me, I'm looking, again, when it comes to the stock market, and I'm looking at crypto, I'm saying, okay, well, a lot of things that are associated closely to crypto most likely will start to get a little rise. SOS is heavily shorted, so it's being pushed down, but it could have that short squeeze. So here's what I was talking about. They should they're saying June 750 calls. So check that out again, and always just do your research, family, study. Don't listen to what people say out here, because obviously these last few months we've all seen this market does what it wants to do, and a lot of these new companies, when it comes to biotech, things of that nature, man, they could drop at any moment, as we've seen, So let's just all invest wisely. And again, like I say, make sure you invest in yourself, family. I got some new stuff coming up, man. I actually got some merch. Again, I'm going to start doing lives. So get a little more involved, family. I've just been so busy. So, man, forgive me for that. But I appreciate each and every one of you out there, man. And everybody that's new, like and subscribe, man. Y'all have a blessed day. Let's eat.